Bring it back.
Welcome to WPNN. My name is Addison.
And my name is Nat.
Panther, starting today we are beginning the No-Zero Zone.
I bet you're wondering, what is the No-Zero Zone?
The No-Zero Zone is a time dedicated just for you to complete missing assignments, study, and work on projects. The main goal is to help you eliminate or prevent any zeros that you may have in focus.
The No-Zero Zone will take place every Monday and Thursday during all lunch periods.
There are a limited number of seats in the room, only 24. So if you want that quiet place to study or work on assignments, you need to grab your lunch and head straight to room 4101 to lock in with Mrs. Foster.
Panthers, you are the reason that we have a whole section in the yearbook called Student Life.
The yearbook team would love to have any and all of your pictures that you've taken this school year to possibly include in the yearbook.
Please include any photos that you have taken, not only at school, but at those fun pictures of picking out your homecoming attire, going out to eat after homecoming, sporting events, club fun, field trips, etc.
Submit your photos using the QR code or direct link right here. Be sure to include who is in the picture, first and last name, and where it was taken and what event.
Make sure the submitted pictures are school appropriate. For example, no inappropriate hand gestures and no inappropriate clothing. In other words, make sure that everything that needs to be covered is covered.
And don't forget to turn off live photo when taking pictures, or don't forget to change it to still photo when you send it.
Panthers, are any of you interested in joining a book club? Well, we've got some good ones for you.
We have amazing books such as The Kite Runner, Legend Born, One of Us is Lying, and many more.
The teachers on the screen now are hosting their first book club meeting starting next week. If you are interested in participating in exciting discussions, making friends, eating good snacks, and of course, reading great books, then this club is the way to go.
Panthers, Heritage's 4th annual Fall Festival is coming up quickly. On Tuesday, October 28th from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m., our Fall Festival will include fun games, spooky decorations, amazing costumes, and a lot of sweet treats.
Be sure to join us here at Heritage for our annual Fall Festival. Don't forget to wear your costume and bring your friends and family.
In senior news, our Bright Futures application rotation is beginning next week. If you need help completing your Bright Futures application, then next week is the time to do it.
Throughout next week, seniors will be sent down to the Media Center lab to complete their application for Bright Futures.
Before you get sent down, please have your social security number written down. It is required to have your social security number when applying for Bright Futures.
Additionally, if you're interested in applying for the FAFSA, visit the website on the screen now to create your FSA ID. This is required before you can start your FAFSA application.
Attention, for any senior who has not done their senior portrait session, you can book it now. To book your session, you can visit the site shown on the screen to complete your senior portraits.
Seniors, did you order a senior t-shirt? If you did, the senior shirts are here now.
To get your shirt, please visit the Media Center to pick up your pre-ordered shirt from Mrs. Dean.
Hey, while you're there, you can check out an interesting book to read or an SAT/ACT test prep book.
In sports news, our girls bowling team captured back-to-back Cape Coast Conference championships.
2 of our bowlers finished in the top 10 in their individual competition. Olivia Green produced a 163, 234, 157 set, totaling 554 to take her 7th overall place.
Our Tara Brown finished 10th individually with a total set score of 526.
Our varsity football team, cheerleaders, and band will travel to Daytona Mainland tonight with the kickoff happening at 7 p.m.
A big congratulations to our girls volleyball team that recently traveled to South Florida to play against Royal Palm Beach and came home with the gold.
That's all the news for this week. Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
And don't forget to lock in. Thank you for watching and go Big Blue!